In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a navigation bar in Dreamweaver. By the end, you'll have a clean horizontal menu with links like Home, About, Services, and Contact, and you'll understand exactly how the HTML and CSS work together. Start by opening your HTML page in Dreamweaver. Switch to Code or Split View so you can see where you're placing things. Click just after the opening body tag, which is the usual spot for a site-wide menu. Add a navigation block that uses a nav element as the container. Inside that, include an unordered list with a class for styling, and 4 list items, each containing a link, one to your home page, one to your About page, one to Services, and one to Contact. The nav element tells browsers and assistive technologies that this is a site navigation section, which is good for structure and accessibility. The unordered list groups your links in a neat, predictable way, and each list item keeps a single link tidy. You can change the link text and file names later to match your project, but the basic structure should stay the same. Next, let's style it so the links sit side by side instead of stacked. You can place your CSS either in an external style sheet you've already linked or inside a style tag in the head if you're prototyping. Create a rule for the list class you used. Remove the default bullets by turning off list style and reset margin and padding to 0. Then set the list to display as a flexible row so the items line up horizontally. Add a small gap for spacing between items. For the nav container, give it a background color so it reads clearly across the top of the page, and add some padding to create breathing room. Style the anchor tags to look like buttons. Make them display as block-level elements with comfortable padding. Remove the underline, choose a readable text color, and consider a hover effect such as a subtle background change or underline on hover. If you want the menu centered or pushed to the right, adjust the horizontal alignment with a Justify property on the list. If your links are still stacking, double-check that your class names match and that your CSS is loaded. Finally, save your page and preview it in the browser using F12 or Dreamweaver's Preview button. You should see a horizontal navigation bar with clickable links. Click each one to confirm the paths are correct and the pages exist. That's it. Your Dreamweaver navigation is up and running and ready for design tweaks to match your site's look and feel.